How to add a name in brackets on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a name in brackets to your profile, whether you want to showcase a nickname, your maiden name, or any alternative name. Let's dive right in. Open up the Facebook app, go to the three lines in the top left, and then tap on settings and privacy. Go to settings again, and you need to head over to account center. You need to tap on your profile and go to name, and now you can see manage other names. Just tap on it and then it will take you to a new page. Now you can choose the name type. Just tap on the drop down. You can choose whether it is nickname, maiden name, alternative spelling, or more, and then just put it here and then just hit save. And now Facebook will add this name in brackets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.